Okay, hello everybody. This is Hejin Lee, putting in what would be on US time a midday update. My time where I am here in Frankfurt, Germany, it is around 6:30 p.m. But I wanted to do a quick update, and by the way, I apologize for that video from the evening update. I was in such a rush this morning to rush out for my first meeting. I closed my laptop before the video got fully uploaded, so it's available now. So you can go back and look at that and then come back to this one. Okay, so I'm gonna make this quick also. I have a dinner meeting. Busy, busy. So as I said this morning, this white support line has to hold. I just want to give, let's go back to the daily chart version of this. Okay, rid of that. Oops. There you go. So again, I mean it's very serious here. This is a very, very ominous upward pointing symmetrical triangle. And I moved the 3 and 4 here, which means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and could this be the 5 right here? Potentially, but I don't think it is. But still, I mean, I started saying this danger Will Robinson when we were, I think, here, okay, doing this correction. And now that we did a higher high, that could be a fifth, potentially. What I'm saying is it could be right there. Though I don't think it is. I don't believe it is. If we go to the 4-hour chart, it's 2-3 wave-ish. It's not an impulse. But regardless, it's still possible. I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That could work if you want to force it. And I've done that before in the past. Because as you might see, at times I lean more towards the pattern, the chart recognition pattern. And I could brute force the Elliott wave to fit into it. Because so often the chart pattern, at least for Elliott waves, is so, it occurs with high confidence. And that's the kind of feeling I'm having now, where I'm saying on the daily chart looks very ominous. This whole upward pointing symmetrical triangle is very bearish. Now let's go back to the 1-hour short-term frame. I wrote this support needs to hold this morning, and it's no different. I'll move it to the right a little bit because time has passed. And it might do a bearish dip, a bullish wick. But this support overall needs to hold to give us that 7,200 region up here. And I think it will. I think it'll bounce off this bottom one. And in fact, it might, if you count this, you can count this as an ABC, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you could almost count this if this does a dip below here, which would panic a lot of people out, like this. Okay, So let's say this goes to 5100. The reason why I put the stop, at least my stop, at sub 5,000 is I want this to have a possibility of a chance. And it is an alternate count. So in other words, you will get an A, B, and a C, expanded flat triangle. And from there it'll cruise back up. And in this case it'll go way beyond 7,200, I think, because it's gained a lot more mojo strength on the MACD. So 4 will be here, 3 will be there, A, B, C. And expanded flat just means that it's an ABC correction, except the B goes higher than the prior peak, and the C goes below the low of the A, B, C, like that. But this is not my primary count. This is my alternate count. I think you can do a small bullish wick, not that deep, but more likely so, I don't think you may even do that. I think, oh, come on. It may even just bounce off the white. Okay? So I think that's what's going to happen. This support needs to hold. Bring this back to the original count. What did I have? 3, 4. Okay. But again, if this support starts breaking down and you see a vertical down, like a skydiving of the price, your price will save you, hopefully. Hopefully, your stop will take you out. But that's not my primary count. But I have it in the back of my head, watching it very carefully. I've been monitoring the chart throughout the day. I try to post using my iPhone, and it's really, really difficult to do so. I downloaded an app that I could maybe potentially use, and forget it. I tried to do it during my breaks between meetings, and it was impossible. So sorry. I will be back this Friday night, so hopefully by then. Unfortunately, I'm back out again on November 12th to San Diego for about most of the week too. But there won't be much of a time difference there, so it should be a lot better and easier to manage. Okay, so this is my midday update. I'm going to post again tonight before I go to bed, my time. And I'm going to tonight. I'm going to post analysis requests. Tomorrow morning, I'll post your evening update to Bitcoin. So let's watch this carefully and see if it bounces off this. If it doesn't, let's see if it does a bullish wick. And you know what you do if it just goes, if it takes a dump on you. Okay? Thank you. And thanks for your patience. I mean, today I was thinking, dang it, if I could be just in my home office doing this, that'll be a lot more interesting. Today was a brutal day of meetings, and those are good too. So have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye.